been a while, guys, but it's winter, so what can I say? Took this off my Jetta that I just sold, and I am going to put it on my sister's GLI. This used to be my GLI. I was in a video, I'm assuming. Katie!
Yes? Oh, hi.
Talk about your super sweet ride. What's done to it?
Huh?
What's done to it?
What's done to it?
Tail lights?
Yeah.
Full exhaust?
Exhaust. Nice ass tires.
Yeah.
Rims. Everybody wants them.
And now a front mount?
Yep.
What's done to yours?
Coolant.
Coolant?
Got some coolant in there.
And then your new turbo badge?
It's cooking.
Your crooked turbo badge? It looks good.
Should let me do it.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Do you want me to show them your super sick wheels?
Yeah, go for it.
It's super sick interior.
Damn! Look at them dirty chrome wheels. Woo! And how much did you pay for it?
600.
Hell yeah!
Interior is the best.
Yeah, I better show them the interior.
Show them the sunroof first.
Okay, the sunroof's stuck open because the guy he bought it from took out all the interior and unplugged everything before closing the sunroof. So now it's stuck open and all the panels, everything is gone besides the seats, but the seat doesn't move and the door squeaks. Okay, I'm gonna go put this on now.
Okay. Yes.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
I don't understand.
It is.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to invent something. This is where your front bumper used to be. Not front bumper. That's called a bumper cover. This is a bumper, okay? Now you're going to want to invent something like this so that your front mount will fit there. Now, I didn't invent this. This already came on the car. So, good for me. Now you're going to want to put it on. You heard me? Okay, here we go. Okay, pause it.
You're recording? Okay. And the next thing you're going to want to do is put on the front mount. Okay, stop.
And now we just put all the pipes on. Yay!
Now, make sure you connect all your hoses. Because if you don't, you'll have a vacuum leak and no boost. Okay? Now figure it out! Okay, that's it.
Now make sure to tighten down your clamps, man. Okay? Okay, that's it. And before you do anything, make sure you paint your diverter valve blue. Okay? That adds like 10 horsepower. Swear to God. Okay? Gotta put your front bumper on too, guys. Even if it's dirty, just put it on. Unless you don't want to. I personally would not put my front bumper back on, but this woman right here needs a front bumper. Are you vacuuming?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Voila! It is done! Okay, come on, Kate. Oh, she's so heavy, see? Okay, stop. Now, if you like the video, make sure to comment for questions, like, and subscribe. And to support another channel It's called Cappuccino Garage. I'm gonna leave a link to his stuff in the description below. So go subscribe to his channel too. And I will see you guys in the next video.